PayScale estimates that the average income for an affiliate marketer is around 51,700 US dollars per year. Low tier affiliate marketers earn about 38,000 on average, while the top affiliate make roughly about 71,000 US dollars every year. Hello everyone, I am Shubhamjeet Kumar. I am an affiliate marketer and coach. I am the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will share a story of a super affiliate, Mr. John Chow. I will share his story from the beginning and the lessons I learned while researching his methods. My goal is to publish videos in an easy to understand language, so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. So let's begin this video. I will first begin with the introduction of Mr. John Chow. Mr. John Chow is a blogger who started his online journey in 2006. According to Jillian Shaw, Mr. John Chow has taken blogging and social media and turned it into a money-making proposition. On his website, he has written more than 100 how-to blogs, from how to host your website to how to write a blog, to how to do SEO and so on. Mr. John Chow has been making money from his blog since 2006, and according to him, 1/3 of his income comes from running ads on his website and the remaining 2/3 from affiliate marketing and his product sales. Mr. John Chow advocates creating a personal brand, and while reading his story, one thing struck me. He launched a website for his unborn daughter. Yes, he did that. He strongly believes that you must have a brand of your name. Okay? Initially, he posted things about his friends and family and gradually transitioned to how he makes money from the internet. Mr. John Chow attends a social media mastermind where he and his community discuss ideas about social media marketing once every week. Many people believe that Mr. John Chow is a revolutionary figure when it comes to affiliate marketing. Just like Mr. Pat Flynn, Mr. John Chow was able to take his business to a completely different level in a matter of 2 to 3 years. He started from nothing, and today his monthly income is approximately 50,000 US dollars every month. Mr. John Chow tells that he works only 2 hours every day. And although many are skeptical about his working hours, his income is pretty much accurate. He published a book titled Make Money Online, Roadmaps of a .com Mogul. His website generates over 2 lakh visitors every month, and his website ranks number 1 in the list of top 50 Canadian internet marketing blogs. I've placed a link below this video to his website. You can explore it and find out his methods and how masterminds like him approach business. Okay? Now, for all the beginners of affiliate marketing, I will share his formula for promoting people's products. Okay? The top priority for Mr. John Chow is to promote products with a recurring commission. For example, there are hosting and email marketing platforms that require monthly payments for users to continue using the service. He suggests that you promote such products because once you get a visitor to buy, they will pay every month and you will continue to make commissions every month with that single sale. Okay? So, if you are a beginner, look for programs that pay you a recurring commission. Alright? Now, I will share Mr. John Chow's approach to affiliate marketing. This is crucial as you will learn the steps followed by a super affiliate who makes 50,000 US dollars every month. You can take notes if you want, alright? In fact, before sharing his approach, I would like to share the biggest mistake that beginners make. According to my observation and experience, almost every beginner grabs his or her affiliate link and shares it everywhere. Why this approach does not work is that if you send people directly to the offer page, they will not buy as they do not know the product. That is, if you share the product link directly, people will not buy as they do not know what the product does and how it will help them. Okay? This is where Mr. John Chow's approach will help you. When he promotes a product, instead of sending visitors directly to the offer page, He recommends creating a landing page that provides value, and it should have a lead magnet. The lead magnet could be an ebook, a free PDF, a free webinar, etc. Okay? And in exchange for the lead magnet, he asks people to enter their names and emails. With this approach, he builds his email list. Okay? After people have entered their information, he provides value and sends them to the offer page. Now, since people already got something valuable for free that explains the importance of his product, they are more likely to buy. Alright? According to him, this approach to affiliate marketing results in better conversions than directly sending visitors to the offer page. Okay? I read his story when I started affiliate marketing, and I have been following his funnel templates for a long time. I can say with experience that his approach results in better conversions, and now I will share the funnel template that he shared. I cover each step in detail in my live training on affiliate marketing. If you are a beginner and want to get off on the right foot, you can register for my training. I've placed the link below this video. So, after going through his story and using the funnel myself, I can advocate that it works, and I will share each step here right now. So, the first step is to generate traffic from various sources, either organically or through paid ads. You should get visitors on a landing page and provide them with something of high value for free. You could give a free ebook, a free PDF, a free mini course, a free webinar, etc. And in exchange for the free resource, you can ask them for their names and emails. Okay? After they've entered their details, you should add them to your email list, and for that, you must have an email autoresponder. I've linked the email autoresponder that I use for email marketing in the I button. In that video, I've shared the steps for signing up on the tool and creating your lead from an email list. Alright? You can get started right away. Now, after you have captured the names and emails of people, you can promote your products by email marketing. Okay? Then, after filling in their names and emails, the visitors will reach the pre-frame page where they will know more about the product, its features, benefits, drawbacks, and get their doubts and queries answered. This is the page where they will make the buying decision. Okay? So make sure that you provide something valuable. Alright? If they're interested in the product and you convince them to buy, they will go to the next step. In the next step, they will reach the offer page or the checkout page. And since you already provided them with the information they needed, the buying decision will be easier for them. Okay? On the checkout page, they will enter their details and pay for the product. Alright? Then, after a successful payment, your visitors will get access to the product, and you will get a certain fixed commission for generating the sale. Okay? So, if you are a beginner, you must follow this template because it works. If you don't believe me, you can check out Mr. John Chow's website where he shares his approach. I've placed it below the video. Okay? So, if you want to get started with Mr. John Chow's approach to affiliate marketing, you can use the funnel tool that I use to create funnels and the email marketing tool that I use to run email marketing campaigns. Okay? Please note that the links are my affiliate links, and I will make a commission on each purchase at no extra cost to you. Alright? So in this video, I shared the case study of Mr. John Chow, who started his blog in 2006 and now makes $50,000 per month by working only 2 hours each day. Then I shared his approach to affiliate marketing and shared the funnel template he follows. So if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.